Here are 3 necessary features that keep your art clean, organized, and free from unnecessary mistakes. My favorite feature in digital art is the clipping mask. You just add a layer, tap that layer, and hit the clipping mask. The clipping mask keeps your base layer from being affected by any additional changes in case you'd like to make a change to your original base layer. This is a non-destructive workflow that keeps all your base layers unaffected. Not a lot of artists know this about the Alpha Lock tool, and that's that it can be used to make additional changes to your base layer without adding an additional layer or clipping mask. This can be useful if you don't have any more layers or to save you time if you're needing to make changes to the base layer and don't want to change its original shape. A cool time-saving feature in Procreate I love is the selection load tool. Make a freehand selection, go to the save locon icon, and hit the plus icon to save that selection. This will give you the option to load up that save selection to make additional changes to your selection later on if need be. You have the option of making several selections, which makes it a go-to method for a faster workflow to save you time. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.